warm welcome back to the Balti Brothers YouTube channel. I'm Hussein. Today I'll be showing you how to cook a chicken shinwari. It's a dish mainly from the Pashtun area where they eat it. It's really nice. It's simple but full of flavors. Upon my recent visit last year to Pakistan, I went to a local place within near our village, and honestly I kept going back time after time. It was so delicious, simple but very tasty. And I have made this dish a few times and it has really been nice. So I'll start off with adding some oil to the pan, and then we'll follow the next step as we go along. I've got approx 500 ml of rapeseed oil here. Just gonna wait for the oil to heat. Then I've got 1 kg chicken. Now you can make this dish with boneless chicken, but it's more flavoursome with on the bone chicken. So if you just go to the butchers, ask them for 1 kg chicken, curry cut, and they'll cut it up for you. And if you have it with skin on, it's more better. When I went to the butchers earlier on, he didn't have any whole chickens with the skin on. They already had kind of de-skinned them for the fillets. So still it's flavoursome, but on the skin it's much better. Oil's heated up. What I will do is we're going to cook the chicken approx 50%. Then I'm going to drain some oil out, add whole tomatoes, let the tomatoes soften up within the chicken, and gradually we'll add the other ingredients as well. I would like to thank you all for your continued support, comments, likes, subscribes, sharing the videos. Your feedback and encouragement goes a long way. It helps us spread the knowledge, what I've learned from Mum. She truly has taught us a lot of things, and which I try to share with you so we learn together. Thank you so much. The chicken, another 5 minutes. Once the chicken's about 50% cooked, then we'll start adding some tomatoes and the ingredients to follow. Also, to all who've always shared the final pictures of the dishes they've cooked from our channel, who've shared the pictures with us, thank you so much. Keep that feedback coming. Encourages many others to keep sharing as well, and it's good to see you all enjoying them. Thank you so much. Chicken is fried approx 50%. I'm going to drain the oil out now. Please be careful with health and safety. Tomatoes, you could keep the cubes large, small. Better just do them as I'm doing it, then it'll dissolve within the oil, it'll all wilt, the tomatoes will wilt. Turn the heat high. Now I'm going to add the salt, black pepper and green chilies. Salt to taste. Black pepper, approx 1 tablespoon. If you like it a bit stronger, you can add a bit more. If you like it as not as strong, you can add less. The tomatoes are softened up nicely. You can even blend the tomatoes and green chilies in the blender, and then it'll be a smooth paste, add into the oil, or you could do it the way how I've done it. This is how they were doing it where I was eating. I spoke with the chef and he kindly told me, I'm grateful to him, and this is how he cooked our dish. Now I've got some green chilies, approx 4 bullet chilies I'm going to use sliced. You can add whole bullet chilies as well if you want. You may think it's going to be extremely hot, but honestly, it's just right. It's not very saucy, just like a nice thick sauce to it. Very flavoursome, very, very juicy. Mum liked it, so that's my seal of approval. And my girls, they liked it as well. If you don't like the tomato skin inside there, keep the tomatoes whole, fry them before taking the oil out. Then once they've wilted, the skin can be peeled off easily, so you won't have any tomato skin in there. But I prefer it with the skin in, each to their own. Just turn the heat down a notch. Now finally, some coriander. Dish is almost ready. Just a minute or two more, it's all done. quick taste test now. Bismillah. Made just right, beautiful. Salt, pepper, you can adjust it according to your own palate. If you want more, less, your choice. It's looking beautiful. There we are, ready to be plated. Chicken Shinwari. You can have 2 whole chickens, 3 whole chickens, depending on your guests, how many people you are feeding or dining. Enjoy it with a naan bread, pita bread, but more with a naan bread, chapati, but I would recommend highly naan bread. Soak your naan bread within the sauce, get it moist, beautiful, tasty. Pinch of coriander, there we are. Chicken Shinwari. Hope you've enjoyed watching the video, and most importantly, when you cook, I hope you enjoy the dish. Please let us have your feedback as always. Once again, thank you so much for all your kind feedback, and please like, subscribe, share the videos so we together are able to spread the knowledge and learn together. Much love, much respect. Peace and blessings on you all. Thank you so much.